Man, I'm so bored today. What should I do? I know, I'll just take a video of my ceiling fan. Anyways, what's going on, guys? This is Ryan Red Adventures. Sorry, my throat's a bit scratchy, but anyways, I'm bored today. We didn't really do anything. We just stayed home, and I just want to take a video of my ceiling fan here. It's a 54-inch Home Decorators Collection Kensgrove from Home Depot. You probably saw the old video from my other channel, but I now have my own channel now, so this is kind of like a restart. So I'm just redoing this video, and it's uploading to Ryan Tried Adventures instead of Xbola. So yeah, so I'm just laying on my bed because I'm bored, but I'm gonna stand up. Give you a look. It's got yeah, brushed nickel. We got this from Home Depot, in July 2021, I think. You probably know it replaced the old 42-inch Harbor Breeze Lansing ceiling fan that we got from Lowe's. Probably heard about that, because we replaced it because the light stopped working, and we hung this up. So yeah, so I'll get into the demo now. So I'll turn the light on first. It's dimmable, and it's at its lowest setting. So I'm gonna brighten it. Now it's at its brightest setting. I normally keep it at my dimmest setting because when I wake up and turn the lights on, I don't want it to like blind me or anything because it would be too bright. So yeah, we'll go right down to the dim. What the heck? It's not doing anything. Oh, there we go. It just did. I'm like, what the heck? What? There we go. I'm thinking it's the battery or something, but who cares? It's still got more to go. Anyways, I'll turn it on now. It has 9 speeds, and this is speed 1 first. Now, let me tell you something recently. This fan developed a noise, and I don't like it, because it keeps me awake most of the time at night. I'll give you a closer, and then you can probably hear it. Well, probably not right now because it's at speed 1. Yeah, you probably hear that. Alright, anyways, I'll bump it up to speed 2. If it does anything. Oh, there we go, it just did something. I think. Alright, we'll go to speed 3. Something is wrong with this one. Oh, never mind, it's going now. Okay, it blows a decent amount of air. So speed 4. Alright, speed 5. You can probably hear it now. Alright, we're going to speed 6. Yeah, it's blowing a lot of air right now. Yeah, that noise. Alright, we'll go to speed 7. Alright, speed 8. And we'll just go to high. Speed 9. Blows tons of air. I like it. Other than the noise. Oh, my arm is sore. Don't worry, I'm almost done. Turn the light back on. Oh, I know why, because it's kind of bright outside. It does have a little wobble to it, but who cares? It's not that bad. Alright, now I'll turn it off. Yeah, I believe something's wrong with the remote, or my mind's just getting the best of me. But yeah, anyways, that's the kind of the redo video of the 54-inch Home Decorators Collection Kensgrove ceiling fan. So this is Ryan's Red Adventures signing off.